It's Lady Meredith, it's Lady Meredith, stick around. Everybody, it's Lady Meredith Kenny here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a bagel breakfast. It is cooking with Lady Meredith, and I hope you guys enjoy. We are going to be making some simple bagels, but we're going to be needing bagels, butter, jam, and some mouse, because you're going to eat it. I'm sexy and you're full of stuff and risk. When making bagels, I have to make sure they're good. So, I already have the bagels in the toaster and they just got done. And right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some butter and like a knife or whatever. Butter down my finger. Butter to put it in like a little cup, and I'm going to put it in my microwave. So let's do that. I'm sexy and you're full of stuff and with some problems. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's it. So we're gonna take a plate. I'm just using a foam plate because it doesn't really matter. So, taking my bagels. I love my bagels. They are my babies. And this cup literally smells like salted butter. Come out, butter. Alright. Now, gonna rub it all over the place. That step is finished. It's Lady Meredith, it's Lady Meredith, stick around. Smucker's strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. It's Lady Meredith, stick around.